saving my fish. Look at my hands. Dude, these are Haas goldfish. Oh yeah. Oh
Look at all of them.
That's a good cast right there. We wrecked them. That's a good tilapia. Oh. God, this muck is so thick. Look at all those goldfish. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. I'm standing in my drained duck pond behind me. It's extremely low, like the lowest I've ever seen it low. Very low, straight muck. And unfortunately, we've lost some of my big goldfish. A couple months back, I stocked this thing with a lot of goldfish, a lot. And the water tables here in Florida are extremely low. If you remember, I was just at my friend Kennan's house and his big pond was low like this. These man-made dug ponds get super low with no rain. We've been having like a legit drought here in Florida. So my pond's low. As you can see, I got fresh water right here, because I've been trying to fill it up with my dang PVC pipe. This thing goes to my well, but it's cost me more money in the electricity bill to run the pump from the ground pumping water into this than it is to just let it sit and then just net my fish out when the water got low. So I'm here now with a cast net, and I'm gonna cast net all of my fish. There should be some tilapia in here. I really never put a lot of fish other than the goldfish. And a blue heron's been here the last couple days as the water's been draining, and he's been just going ham. Yeah, he comes every afternoon about dusk, like right now. I'm interrupting his feeding set because I'm saving my fish. We're gonna be catching some massive goldfish, and to be honest, there's probably a couple more fish in here that I didn't even know about. Get to cast netting.
Who knows what we're gonna find in here?
Literally, this puddle is crazy looking.
Look at all the fish.
Like, look how low. You might be asking yourself, Paul, what the heck are you gonna do with this giant hole in your backyard now? I got plans. I was just on a meeting with Aquascape for literally like an hour and a half. Now, whether that happens or not, couldn't tell you. But I'm making phone calls. We're gonna make something happen. This is gonna be a nice, beautiful rec pond, just like Camp Kennan's house. This is gonna be that. And the only way to get it like that is to have no water in the pond. So this actually worked out in our favor. We just gotta cast in our fish so they don't die. And look at them all right there.
Look at them. It's hard to see on the camera, but should be money. Oh my god.
There's a lot more fish than you thought.
Holy.
There's a lot more fish than you thought. Look at that. Into the clear water. Here's another one. Tilapia. Big tilapia.
Seaweed.
Hey, buddy. All right.
Yes.
You also may ask yourself, Paul, why didn't you do this before all those other fish died? Well, I'm gonna be honest with you. I've been watching the last couple of days and it never even looked like this. It was very, very hot today, and while we were out filming, it must have just dropped much more. And then now we got fish flopping. I'm going for a cast on the other side. This is the most nasty job I've ever had to do. But like I said, regardless, if I don't do it now, I won't save any. So I gotta do it now because all this water's getting pumped out eventually for a project. So I didn't think Florida sun was that powerful. The Locks house, my first original farm, I never had to do anything. It would just get low and then eventually the season would come around with rain again.
And that was like all dug too, right?
Mm-hmm. You can literally ground with your hand, dude. Look at the size of that.
Oh, dude, that one's got cool scales.
They're massive, dude. Look at this puddle. Is that not just crazy? It's a little bigger than it looks on camera, I'm not gonna lie. It looks small on camera. We put so many in here. I think this is pretty gross. Look at my hands.
Dude, gross would be an understatement.
Give me a sniff test.
You can't sniff it? You're with yourself already?
Not too bad.
It smells awesome.
Finger licking?
Psych. Can't even use my mouth anymore. Oh yeah. Oh
Look at all of them.
That's a good cast right there. We wrecked them. I'm dropping them on the white sand so we see them.
Oh, these ones are kicking. Look at that black one, dude. He's cool.
All black. Let's see how many we can save. Baby tilapia. Oh. That one's toast.
Yep.
Here we go.
Oh my god, dude, it stinks over here.
God, it's so hard to cast without it in my mouth. Every cast I get fish, no matter what.
Look at the size of that one.
Look at that thing. Dude, these are Haas goldfish. Think about the amount of fish that blue heron was getting when he was sitting here. Just picking all of them. He probably ate all the cichlids that were in here.
Had to be.
There's a couple cichlids in here.
Oh, he mouthed it. Oh, there's a
jumbo.
Oh my.
That's a good tilapia.
Oh,
is it all over my face?
Yep. Dude, I can't believe there's so many eggs.
I know.
Yeah, so Griffin's never seen an egg before.
Dude, like a wild goose egg just chilling? No.
Goose. A wild goose egg. I don't know, every time I cast, I wax them. One live goldfish. Tilaps. Another tilapia.
Money. That's money, dude.
Holy smokes, look at that one.
Oh yeah, we got the mother load.
We got a lively batch right here.
That's what we like to see.
Oh yeah. What a cast. Let me tell you. There you go. Nice gift. God, this muck is so thick. I need like a 12.
Oh,
net. Oh yeah, look at
there's
them
a big one in there.
Yes, yeah. Lively one. Lively one. These things are troopers.
Dude, look at the
Holy
size
smokes!
of him.
World record! We have got the record size so far. Tilapia and goldfish, look at the size of that one. Could live through literally anything. Oh.
Did you get him?
Got him.
Yes, sir.
Barehanded.
They call me the barehanded bandit.
Yeah, you heard him.
Oh, you're not putting that in your mouth.
Oh my god. If you don't see Paul next week, just know.
Dude, you see? Every cast is less and less fish. That's the goal.
Oh, dude, that was almost a pancake.
These were meant to be feeders.
They were.
Paul was supposed to eat them.
I was gonna cast net like this when the water was actually supposed to be full. Because this was never supposed to
Yo,
drain.
a tank.
Oh my gosh, 2 tanks.
3 tanks.
And they're all lively.
Bro, look at this one that died. He's huge.
Look at the size of those things. Those are some Mondo feeders right there. These are literally the goldfish that we get at the pet store to feed a fish. Dude, this is a good cast. Lively? Oh yeah. Dude, that might be the new biggest.
The biggest one. Oh,
Another lively one. Lively.
that thing's gotta be alive.
Oh yeah, lively. All right, that's a good ratio.
right
That's
there,
a great
baby.
ratio. Look at how pretty the colors are on that.
So orange.
Come on. Wow. All white, all white. Hey, bud.
See you later.
If I wake up with like 6 eyeballs, you know why? I'm completely covered from head to toe in mud.
We never leave a brother behind.
2 of them.
Oh, cool little fella.
Yeah, a lot
I'm
of
gonna
them.
keep going until I get none.
I'd tell you if I could see in there, but it's a little dark.
Oh yeah, I'm hoping for no fish, which that's 2 in a row. I've been circling this pond for like, how long have we been at it? 45 minutes?
Yeah, 45 to an hour.
Another cast with no fish. Look at that.
Think you
Straight mud.
rescued all of them?
I think I got them all. We got, look at the little black on this. Oh, that one's lively, dude. Look at that. That one's good. So I think we got like 99.99999%. If there's any left, there's maybe like 1 or 2. And in the next couple of days as the water gets lower, I'll just keep an eye out throughout the day and scoop what I can. But we honestly got hundreds of fish out of this pond today. All right, Cuffaros, it's about dark here. We've got a whole lot of fish to bring into the fish building. Very unexpected. Did not expect to make this video at all, obviously. Let's go inside. If you guys haven't watched last video, saltwater pond, go check that out. One of my favorite videos. And now I'm sure we'll wake up with a lot of dead fish in here, but at least we're giving all these fish another chance.
Some of them are definitely kicking.
Oh dude, look at these. I mean, they're kicking, dude. They're gonna live. If Mr. Matamata doesn't eat them, they will just continue to grow in here, and then I can obviously put them back in there once we get the pond made. Look at that. So many fish, bro. Mondo. Look at all those goldfish.
I know it's just like a feeder goldfish, but they're actually really cool looking.
Boop. There we go.
Is that the
Dude,
one?
that is a freaking, look at that. Look at that compared to my hand. That's a goldfish, dude. That's it.
Oh,
Dude, that is exactly why
You gotta
Core
grow.
FWC does not want these in the wild.
that's a big one too.
Studs. Beast mode. I'm telling you, along with a lot of other projects, of course we're working on the saltwater pond. We also have this 5,500 gallon. The pond out back is another project that's on the list, and it's right up at the top. So hopefully it'll get done soon. Kind of just depends on when. There's the dark brown one. There's a black bucket. I reach my hands in, I pull up.
colors.
Well, that was all tilapia, but I pull out color. Long tail. This one was the lively one, I think.
Yeah, I mean, look at
Yeah, he's woke. This video is just completely action-packed with beautiful goldfish. I mean, these are just, this looks so good. I want to leave them. I'm gonna leave. Dude, these things are
It doesn't
lively.
end, bro. It's like literally
crazy.
not ending.
A couple of them died just because the water's super low, and then the bird probably got to a lot of them, but I did put a lot in that pond. If any of you know how many are exactly in here, comment down below. I'm curious, literally curious. I have no idea. There's got to be at least 100. At least 100. It is the next day. I managed to get the pond a little bit more full than it was for the little ducks over here. Update on all these fish in the 5,500 gallon. They all ate today, so they're doing good. In 2 days, on the 8th, we are gonna be having the electricity get done so that we can stick the heater on that and fill it back up, get the water hot, and everything will be good. Of course, we lost a couple overnight, but for the most part, and they're healthy, they're gonna continue to get even more healthy, become big old strong goldfish, and back into the pond once it's remodeled. For now, they will stay in here. The Mata has a literal hole right here. His face is right there. Hey, buddy. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you want to become a member and get your name on this wall right here, check out the link down in the description down below and join. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.